Good morning, Robo.
Good morning, Lucy.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Are you ready to play?
Yes! I am always ready to play with you.
Let's have a fun day.
That's wonderful.
Catch the ball, Robo.
I got it, Lucy!
Wow!
You are very fast.
I love playing with you. Robo, catch the ball. My system. What happened? Something is wrong. Robo, are you okay? I don't know. Please look at me.
I am trying.
Can you stand up?
I cannot.
Don't worry. I will help you.
Thank you, Lucy.
We will fix you together. Easy, Robo. Stay with me. It's okay.
Thank you. I feel very weak.
We will find the problem.
I hope I can play again.
You will, I promise. Come on, Robo. We are almost there. Just a few more steps.
My battery is very low.
Oh no! Dad, can you help us?
Lucy, what happened?
Dad, Robo stopped moving.
Let me see him.
Can you fix him?
I will do my best.
Hello, Dad.
Don't worry, little buddy. We will fix you together. Let's put Robo here.
Is this okay?
Yes, this is my workbench.
Can you find the problem?
I think so.
Please, help me.
We will help you, Robo.
You are not alone. Dad, what are you doing?
I am checking Robo's circuits.
Do you see anything?
Yes. One wire is loose.
Can you fix it?
Yes, but we must be careful. Lucy, look here.
I see the blue wire.
Good job. This wire came loose.
Can we connect it again?
Yes. Please hold the flashlight.
Okay, Dad.
Please hold the flashlight. The wire is almost fixed.
Really?
Yes, stay very still.
I am holding the flashlight.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you both.
We are helping you, Robo.
Almost done.
Welcome home, Robo. It feels good to be home. Are you happy now? Yes, I feel strong and happy.
You did a great job, Robo.
Thank you, Dad. Let's make more happy. Robo, are you ready to play again?
Yes!
I feel strong again.
That is wonderful. Catch the ball.
I am ready.
I will catch it.
How do you feel now?
I feel good.
Do you remember me?
Your name is Banana?
My name is Lucy. Oh, Lucy! Robo, what is this?
It is an apple.
That's right!
Great job, Robo. Thank you.
You remembered.
My memory is getting better.
Robo, what is this? Let me think. It is a screwdriver.
Excellent!
Very good, Robo. Thank you, Dad.
You are learning fast.
I love learning with my family.
Robo, what is this tool?
That's correct.
Great job! Thank you! I remember more words now. I am so proud.
Robo, can you name these tools? Yes, I can. This is a screwdriver. This is a wrench.
Excellent, Robo.
You remembered everything.
Oh no! I dropped the screwdriver.
It's okay. I will pick it up. Here you are, Lucy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Robo.
You are welcome.
It is a toy car. It is red.
Excellent answer.
Robo, let's learn more English.
Great idea!
What is this?
It is a book.
Very good. And what is this?
It is a ball.
Excellent. Robo, what do you see?
I see an apple.
Good. What else do you see?
I see a book.
Very good.
And I see a little robot.
That's right. Robo, look outside.
Wow! It is a beautiful day.
What do you see?
Green trees. I see colorful flowers.
Very nice.
Let's go outside after this. Are you ready, Robo? Yes, I am ready. Catch the ball.
Here it comes.
Good catch. Well done, Robo. Look, Robo, a little puppy. It is so cute. Hello, little puppy. Can I pet the puppy? Hello, little friend.
The puppy likes you, Robo.
Thank you, Lucy.
Never gave up on me.
Friends always help each other.
That is true. I am lucky to have my family.
We love you, Robo. Today was a wonderful day.
Yes. We are happy too.
We fixed the problem together.
Thank you for helping me.
Families always help each other.
We are a great team. Ready, Robo? Ready! Catch the frisbee!
I can do it. I caught it!
Great job!
You are amazing, Robo.
Today was a special day.
Yes, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
Flowers.
That is the best lesson of all.
Every problem has a solution. Lucy did not give up. She was patient. See you next time. Goodbye.